Welcome back to another video from Powered BI AI Agent. In this video, we will be testing one of the newest additions to our model lineup, Claude Sonnet 4.6. We have prepared a sample dashboard and will be asking a few questions about actual versus plan by IT area, as well as actual by period in business area. The first prompt we will give the AI is, analyze key insights of actual versus plan by IT area. We have submitted our prompt and the AI is now processing the data. Let's wait for the response. Claude Sonnet 4.6 has completed its analysis. There are 5 IT areas, as we can see on the left. The key insight is that infrastructure is the only area performing above plan, with $250 million in actual spending compared to a plan of $169 million, a significant overperformance. As we can see, that is a 48% overperformance. Below, there is a more detailed actual versus plan comparison as well. Here we can see the full breakdown. The performance summary shows that infrastructure is over the plan by 48%, while the remaining 4 areas are under the plan. So 4 areas underdelivered relative to the budget. The model also provides a clear chart where we can see that infrastructure is the one that has overperformed. That was a quick and accurate analysis. Now let's move on to the next prompt about actuals by period in business area. The prompt will be, analyze actual by period in business area. What are the key insights? Let's run it. Here is the response. It analyzed 7 business areas over 12 periods. The key insight is that infrastructure dominates with approximately $255 million, representing roughly 30% of total spend. We can also see that there has been a dramatic surge in period 12, as shown in the chart on the right. This was a universal spike. 5 out of 7 business areas hit their annual peak during this period. This analysis is accurate, since the chart on the left confirms the spike in period 12. The summary once again emphasizes infrastructure as the most significant area, with the strongest uptrend and a notable spike in period 12. The model also provides additional details about the remaining business areas. For example, it identifies that sysadmin spending has been relatively stable, along with some anomalies such as a dip in period 8. Thank you for watching. This is how you can enhance your Powered BI dashboards with AI-powered analysis.